guys. So I just want to kind of talk to you guys about why it's so important for especially young investors to, show up to their closings ahead of time. So right now I'm actually here about 20 minutes early just because of COVID. I haven't gone inside, but I would say you should be inside, with about 5 minutes before your actual appointment time. So my appointment time is at noon to 12. So I'll be inside sharp at 11:55. And I think the biggest thing you'll get from this is the title company will see that, you're responsible, you show up on time, and you're very professional. And so in my case, I actually am I'm actually buying it through a wholesaler. So for me, they were able to get this deal off market and I got a steal. So I didn't mind paying, the small commission for, the wholesaler, and he's going to be here. So I'm actually going to meet him for the first time. And then when he sees that, I'm either here before him or we're both on time, it'll show him that as a young investor, that I'm responsible. That's the biggest thing. He's going to want to work with me in the future. He doesn't want people that are going to show up 30 minutes late, 20 minutes late. And that'll just set kind of a new boundary with him. Because the thing is, like I said, I'm 27 years old. So, that's a very young age. A lot of, people in real estate, they want to look for they want to work with older people, just because they might think that they have more money or they might have better credit, whereas, I started in business at an early age. I've done very well for myself, but they don't know my backstory, so it's on me to make sure that they see, see me for who I am, and they'll also give me a few moments to, just get to know the person, talk to them, versus just getting in there, signing some documents, shaking hands, congratulating them, and walking out, And one thing I'm hoping for is hopefully the sellers actually show up early, so that gives me a moment to talk to them, introduce myself, and maybe I get another deal out of them. They might be selling more than just one property, and if they've already worked with you, they're more likely to give you a better deal and not have to worry about other buyers that might not be able to get the loans, or might just start ghosting them after a little bit. So those are some of the reasons why, as a new investor, you should be showing up to these closings early. It's just not closing, it's mostly all of your appointments, but that's why. And if you have any questions about closing and whatnot, let me know. As always, guys, subscribe. I will be actually putting out the video where I walk the property, kind of discussing what I look for on the exterior and the interior, and kind of show you this deal, and I'll actually break it down as to why I believe it's a steal. It is in Detroit, and it's an up and coming market, and I know that a lot of people shy away from Detroit, but it's a huge opportunity. And if you guys have other deals you guys might need some need another investor, another partner on, I love doing one-off deals, and so that gives me the flexibility to work on more than one deal at one time. So if you guys are interested, definitely hit me up in my comments, and hopefully we can connect. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, leave a comment, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. That'll help me grow my channel, and hopefully we get to work on some good deals together, guys. All right, you guys have a good day now, and look forward to talking to you guys in my next video.